We've all been there. You land on a beautifully designed website, sleek layout, elegant animations, and a seamless user experience. But what if I told you, beneath all that polished surface lies a labyrinth of manipulation, deception, and exploitation? The web, once meant to empower and connect, is increasingly becoming a playground for dark psychological tricks, privacy invasions, and ethical gray areas. And the scariest part? You probably don't even notice it. Ever tried unsubscribing from a service only to be bombarded with, "Are you sure you want to miss out on these exclusive benefits?" Or worse, clicked what you thought was the X close to a pop-up only to trigger another page? Welcome to the world of the dark UX, where websites are deliberately designed to confuse and mislead you. Forced continuity ensures you keep paying for subscriptions you forgot about. Hidden costs sneak up at checkout, turning your $9.99 cart into $14.99 with mysterious hidden fees. Confirm shaming makes you feel guilty for saying no, I don't care about saving money. That's the actual decline button. These tactics are no accidents. They're carefully crafted to manipulate your decisions while keeping the company's hands clean. Think you're casually browsing? Think again. Behind the screen, websites are watching your every move, recording clicks, scrolls, and even hovering gestures. That sweater you looked at last week, it's following you around the web like a ghost. But it gets worse. Platforms like Reddit now even count how many times you scroll. Not just full swipes, partial scrolls are tracked too. Every tiny nudge tells them whether you're reading, skimming, or zoning out. They know how long you pause on a post, down to the second. Predictive profiling. Based on your scrolling habits, they can predict your interests, attention span, and even your emotional state, feeding you content designed to keep you hooked. And the kicker, this data is packaged and sold to advertisers, feeding a multi-billion-dollar industry that profits from your unconscious behavior. Now imagine you're visually impaired or physically disabled. You land on a website, but the images have no alternative text. The buttons are poorly labeled, and the color contrast makes it nearly impossible to read. You might as well be logged out. Millions of people face this daily. Despite clear guidelines like the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines or WCAG, countless websites remain inaccessible to disabled users, excluding them from services, opportunities, and information. The digital world, once a symbol of inclusivity, is quietly leaving millions behind, all in the name of profit. Ever wondered why you can't stop scrolling? Web designers do. They exploit dopamine loops, triggering tiny hits of pleasure every time you swipe down to reveal more content. With infinite scrolling, you keep going endlessly, chasing the next post with no natural stopping point. With gamified rewards like streaks on social media or progress badges in apps, tricks like these hijack your brain's reward system, making it harder to stop. You think you're enjoying yourself, but the truth is you're being conditioned for addiction. Ever bought a product based on over 10,000 5-star reviews? Here's a secret. Most of them are fake. Companies will buy fabricated testimonials sometimes to create false credibility. That verified customer gushing over fake life-changing skincare products is sometimes a hired bot. Some sites will even use fake counters displaying inflated numbers or download stats to make you feel like you're missing out. It's the digital equivalent of counterfeit street cred. SEO or search engine optimization was supposed to help users find what they were looking for. Instead, it's turned into a battlefield of manipulation and deception. With keyword stuffing, websites cram articles with irrelevant phrases to trick search engines. With cloaking, sites show one version to search engines and a completely different version to users. And with content scraping, some sites steal entire articles from competitors, claiming them as their own, diluting originality on the web. The result? Irrelevant, low-quality content, clogging up your search results, making it harder to find genuine information. You might think web design is all virtual and harmless. It is not. There was a time when websites offered content without obstruction. Not anymore. Now you're bombarded with intrusive pop-ups begging for your email before you've even read the first line, paywalls that block articles behind a subscription, locking knowledge away from casual readers, and ad overload, with multiple auto-playing videos, blinking banners, and irrelevant pop-up ads competing for your attention. It's not just annoying, it's deliberately disorienting, designed to break your focus and make you click compulsively. The web was meant to empower and connect, a place for knowledge, creativity, and freedom. But increasingly, it has become a minefield of deception, manipulation, and exploitation. From dark UX patterns that trick users into unwanted actions to scroll tracking that secretly monitors your behavior, the web's dark side is growing. And the most terrifying part, it's all hidden in plain sight.